Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new OBD2 Diagnostic tool. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. So you get your user manual right there. And then here's the actual tool itself. Check that out. Very nice display. Nice connection right there. Very, very cool. So let's actually hook it up and test it out and see how it works. All right, so I got it connected. As you can see, this is the main display right at the beginning. So we'll just go ahead and try that one, the Diagnosis. That was very quick. So as you can see, one code and some monitors on there. So let's go ahead and click read codes, stored codes. And there's that code that it showed earlier. So as you can see, very, very simple to use. Let's go back. Let's see, pending code. It seems to be the same. Let's go back. As you can see, it'll even give you vehicle information on there. But I do got to turn it off for that. No problem. Live PCM data. Let's go ahead and load that up. And there you go. So I'm not super car savvy, guys, so I'm sure a lot of you guys know more of this information than I would. But as you can see, it's literally plug and play. So if you guys are trying to just diagnose something quickly, you're able to do so. Go back one more time. Yes. You're able to check the battery as well, battery measurements. Let's go ahead and load that. So you can see everything is just very simple to use. There's a little more information. Very, very cool, very, very simple to use. Go to the settings, just see what else. Different language, the backlight, the functions. Just a little more info here. So as you can see, we can also download an application for it. First, you want to go to the App Store and download this app. You connect the scanner to the vehicle. You can pair it with the free app, which works with both iPhone and Android. No extra tools or software needed. Just plug and play. And right from your phone, you can see a live stream of real-time data. Everything from engine RPMs, vehicle speed, fuel system status, and coolant temperature, all updated in real time as you drive. You can monitor over 150 pieces of vehicle data in the app. It even shows the battery voltage, charging status, and whether your engine is starting properly. Perfect for catching problems before they leave you stranded. If your check engine light comes on, this app will read the code, tell you what it means using its built-in database of 50,000 fault codes, and lets you clear it yourself. No more guessing or running to a shop for a simple reset. Alright guys, so there you have it. If you guys are looking for a new OBD2 scanner that also's got that cool Bluetooth feature so you can see everything on your phone in real time, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave that link down below. Highly recommend.